So we are here in downtown Tempe at our 1-bed, 1-bath on Spence. This unit is just steps from ASU. It is a full 1-bedroom, 1-bath. So you walk in and you do have the lovely large living area, large window for lots of natural lighting, and then the living area does look back into the kitchen and the dinette area. So the dinette features extra built-in cabinetry, perfect for storing books, your overflow kitchen appliances. You can fit a nice table in a dinette area. Then going into the kitchen, you do have this large peninsula that is granite, which you can put some bar stools on the back side. It does include all appliances, so you have the stainless steel range, a microwave, and the fridge, as well as a dishwasher right here next to the sink. Also in your kitchen, you do have the stacked washer and dryer unit. So you do have private laundry. And again, it does look back into your cute little dinette area. Again, just a large living area. So you can have all your items in here, desk, TV, couch if you wanted. Then into the hall. The hall leads you off to your left is the large bedroom. And this is a large room. You could definitely fit a king or a queen, full dresser set, probably with a desk. The bedroom does include a large walk-in closet. You have lots of shelving and storage area in here. So again, overall, just a very nice, large room. Then out into the hall, this does lead into our bath area. So the vanity area is not actually in the water closet. So it is just, you have the sink and the vanity with the lighting on the exterior. And then as you turn, you do actually have the water closet room with the shower, with the nice subway tiles and the actual restroom in here. So again, it has a large extended vanity, lots of storage space, upgraded lighting, and decorative mirrors. For more information on this unit, you can visit our website at rpmphoenixvalley.com. You can schedule a showing, get all the details and information, and apply for the unit. If you have any questions, again, you can visit our website, rpmphoenixvalley.com.